I wanna love, 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 love. Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling?
Oh yeah, my favorite.
You eating good, big dog. Pull up, like. How you pull up, baby? How you pull up? How you pull up? I pull-
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I kind of look, presentable today. So this is my makeup. It's like really like natural looking, and then I got this cute little robe. My roommate gave it to me because she ordered it for herself, but it didn't fit the way that she liked, and she asked me if I wanted it, so I took it. It came with like this cute little sexy underwear, but she kept the underwear because I think she already tried it on, so she kept it. And then she gave me this little robe. I definitely need to buy me more of these little robe. I just feel so Victoria's Secret-esque. So what have I been doing? So I filmed, okay, so last week, I don't know what happened last week, but I was just, let me fix this because I do not want to get flagged on YouTube. Okay, so last week, I don't know what happened. It's just like I was like in this like weird funk, so I didn't film or uploaded a video for the whole entire week. So today I was just like, so this week I was like, no, with this little attitude, like you're going to fix it and you are going to be consistent and you're going to film. So today I decided to film 2 videos. I filmed a little haul, and then I also filmed a like a apartment hunting series situation because me wanted to just do like a little mini series. I love apartment tours, apartment hunting series type of ordeal. I just love that whole thing. So I just decided that I'm going to start that on my channel just to show you guys like the different type of apartments that we toured. And since like now I'm vlogging and stuff and do my little YouTube and stuff, I might as well just take y'all with me. So yeah, so I'm wearing my little robe again with my my fuzzy cheetah print house slippers. And let me show you my setup. As always, a ratchet. So I always put on my impression vanity lights. I do have like a light bulb for that little section, but again, I just didn't feel like putting it in. But I do have like extra bulbs. I always leave that on, and then I have my little ring light situation here. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but then when I received it, it was just like this size. And you pay for what you get. And I think this was like $30 on Amazon. And my stand is my Keurig that I got for Christmas last year. And then I pretty much put my camera, which I'm using right now, on it. And then my other light, which is also included in my haul, is this little live streaming ring light for your cell phone. So pretty much your cell phone goes into this little clip, and then it has like different light settings. So this is the light setting, and this is the little remote. So these go down if you want to change the light. These are all the different light settings. So this is, oh, you can't see that, so that's with it off. This is with it on. Yeah. And this is the little haul I filmed. I got these cute little sneakers if you want more details about it. My little candles here from Bath and Body. And then right now I have this one burning. This is called the flannel. This one is also my favorite. I cannot wait until the candle sales so I can go ham. And then this is my little YouTube notebook that I got from Marshall's. It's called God Plans, and all my video ideas and whatever YouTube related situations, I literally put it in this book. Oh no, I got it from TJ Maxx for $5. So they have like different ones. They have ones with like Ariana on it. They have one with Britney Spears. So whatever floats your boat, you can probably find it at TJ Maxx. So I've been trying to do like this healthy thing, like eating healthy. As you can see, like I am like literally breaking out like all here. I was breaking out due to like the stupid mask that we gotta wear. So I ended up having to switch over to like a different mask. I don't even know where it's at. I don't know where it's at. But now I wear like a cotton mask. But then I was eating like shit as well. So I kind of need to get my face together because like I'm in my 30s and my face is looking like this is
Not okay.
it's just annoying. I want to start like juicing, so I got a couple of juices from Press Juice because part of like their membership, and I went on my account and there was like $100 on it, so I went and I spent like $35. So I'm gonna show you all the juices that I got. So the first one I got is the Citrus 2. It has like apple, pineapple, lemon, and mint. The second one I got, Focus, Felicia. This is like another juice, and it has orange, apple, aloe vera, turmeric, lemon, and black pepper. I got aloe vera H2O. I got strawberry basil lemonade. It has strawberry, monk fruit, lemon, and basil. I got the chocolate almond. It has almond, dates, cacao, and sea salt. The next one I got is the mango turmeric lemonade. It has mango, lemon, monk fruit, and turmeric. The vanilla almond has almond, dates, vanilla, and sea salt. This one is like my favorite. So these are all of the juices that I purchased. I'm definitely going to buy more, and yeah. Hey guys, so I'm going to Ikea. So this is pretty much what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this ripped denim jacket by Guess. I love this. And then I'm wearing this cute little printed dress that I got from Shein, and I did a little knot here. It's a little windy today, that's why I got on this jacket. And then I have on these rose gold sandals that I got from, I want to say, Target. So this is like my fit for today. Super cute, super chill. And I will see you guys at Ikea. Hey guys, so we are back from Ikea. We saw a lot of inspos that we are going to, recreate in our apartment. Cause my mirror is a little dirty. Sorry. Really excited to redecorate this apartment. And I'm definitely going to do like a decorate with me for my apartment. I definitely going to the second bedroom, which is here. So this second bedroom was my roommate's room. She still is here until I think like Sunday, but this is pretty much all she has left to like pack up, and this is like the size of the room. And pretty much this is going to be my beauty room, and that's going to be my closet over here. So I'm just definitely going to do like a decorate with me my dream beauty room, because this is going to be mine, all mine. Yep. Look at your plate though.
No. That ain't got nothing on that, bro.
Like, you're eating good.
No.
And you got extra shrimp and extra pasta.
Well, I ain't trying to listen to you. I'm not trying to listen to you, bro.
So I got, what is this? I got Cajun chicken linguine, and then I got coconut shrimp and blackened catfish. What did you get?
Lobster linguine with shrimp.
Extra shrimp.
Yes.
And
Anyway, we're back. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell to get more videos from me. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love that I'm feeling?